So guys, good. Okay, guys. So point. Okay. So guys, as you mentioned that yes, we are going to use that same terminology what was used in the HAZOP. So if you see here, I mean, for TSDS come into the picture, there is a one cause possible. I will change the color because you are not able to see it. Okay. So possible stuck closure of check valve at the individual discharge of duty new MPS main pump P110101 during startup. So if this is check valve is stuck, so what will the consequence? MPS main pump running in recycle mode through minimum flow line. In case of extended operation in recycle mode, the fluid temperature will increase and may cause vapor formation, which cause impeller pitting and pump failure. So the HAZOP chairman or the team has not expected any LOPC. They are saying that ultimately it will have the impeller impact, impeller failure and pump failure, and hence they have considered asset on. So we are going to take the same thing. And let me search another thing, the TSDS. Okay, second cause. This is TSDS2. So this is second cause. Second cause is malfunction closure of MOV. 11011 at individual suction of duty and new pump. So this is again a second cause for MPS. We have got the same consequence, this one. So this is second cause. Let me search again. Okay, that means there are two causes for TSDS to come into the picture. So first cause is 1.172, second is 173. In both cases, the TSDS will come into the picture. Let me come back here in the SIL. Okay. So guys, in the SIL, we have sent TSDH is there, is the tag number. This will sense high temperature at a fluid at pump suction and trip the pump, right?
Yes.
A running pump, trip the pump. So guys, okay.
This is HH or H only? This is HH or H? TSDH.
HH.
Huh?
HH. Yeah.
The H means higher. The H means higher.
Yes. So
In the PNID, what is mentioned?
So is it HH, but the tag number is TSDH. I'm happy to make TAHH or TSDH. What is your opinion?
TSD. So go on the PNID, we can follow the PNID. Under what tag number is TSAH and under bracket high.
Okay. 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 So what is my opinion? I mean, if you agree with me, I would like to go for the old tag number.
Okay.
And then I will put the new tag number in the bracket. I will put in the tag number TSAH in the bracket 1012-02, so that this will avoid confusion, because I want to use the HAZOP report, HAZOP sheet.
Yeah, that is already discussed. That is correct. No, my point of view was where are we writing this is high height? It is because there is a confusion in a sheet we are writing only H, but it is actually HH.
Okay.
Trip.
Okay, but here if you see the in HAZOP, they mentioned the TSDH 100 will trip the new pump. Then I have to correct here also TSAHH I have to put.
No, then it is information is complete. Will trip the new pump.
Yes.
That is
yes. Okay. Thank you, man. Thank you. Okay. So guys, I think we can put the TSH. I will put on high temperature. Oh, on a high temperature. That's good. Let me put on high temperature, right?
Yes.
It is okay, right now?